I'm Stuart Herman and I'm the homeowner. Our renovation goals were to create a house that would last for another 100 years on top of the 100 years that has already been in existence. We were quite concerned about the nature of the siding on the house because it is a very visible feature, and we're also concerned to protect the house. When our architect Mark Sloot recommended SmartSide, we posed questions because we wanted to make sure it was the right product.
My name is Mark Sloot. I work with Sala Architects. The reason that we went with the LP SmartSide in this home was that it really offered a good combination between aesthetics and flexibility and durability. The professionals, siding professionals I spoke to really spoke highly of it and felt like it was going to be very durable. One thing that was nice with the SmartSide is that it was compatible with products of other manufacturers as well. So where we couldn't use it on this home, it was still compatible with the products that we did use.
The exterior look is very important to us. Linda and I love old traditional houses. We wanted to fit in with the neighborhood, and so we wanted to preserve the Victorian look. We are quite happy with the way that the SmartSide looks on our house because it blends right in with the Victorian aesthetic that we see in other houses around.
Our goals for the exterior of this home were really to have it be even more detailed than it was originally, and to just have a lot of detail and charm and character that is consistent with the neighborhood and consistent with Minneapolis and homes of this era.
I was quite involved with this renovation project because I'm deeply interested in net zero energy. This is actually a brand new 1907 house that has been packed full of the latest technology and sustainability. We use far less energy in this house than you would expect. We also have solar and geothermal energy, which means we have no utility bills. So we're really set up for a good long retirement in this house. Renovated this house to last 100 years. It's 100 years already. We want it to last another 100 years. And I am hopeful the SmartSide will last that long.